Asparagus dreams, from garden to gourmet plate. Ever dreamt of harvesting your own delicious, tender asparagus spears right from your backyard? It's easier than you think. Join me as we unlock the secrets to growing this gourmet vegetable at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Asparagus is a perennial plant, meaning it will come back year after year. This makes the initial investment of time and effort well worth it. Imagine fresh asparagus gracing your table every spring for decades to come. Asparagus plants are dioecious, meaning they have separate male and female plants. Male plants generally produce more spears, so choosing all male varieties is often recommended for higher yields. Selecting the right variety is crucial for success. Jersey Knight and Jersey Giant are popular all-male hybrids known for their disease resistance and high yields. Purple Passion is another excellent choice, offering beautiful purple spears that turn green when cooked. Consider your local climate and soil conditions when making your selection. Asparagus needs a well-drained, sunny location. Aim for at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Proper soil preparation is key to long-term success. Asparagus prefers a slightly acidic soil pH of around 6.5 to 7.0. Amend your soil with compost and well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. Dig a trench about 12 inches wide and 6-8 inches deep. This will provide ample space for the asparagus crowns to spread their roots. Asparagus is typically grown from crowns, which are one-year-old plants. Soak the crowns in water for about an hour before planting to rehydrate them. Space the crowns about 12-18 inches apart in the trench. Spread the roots out gently and cover the crowns with about 2 inches of soil. As the asparagus shoots emerge, gradually fill in the trench with soil. This process, called hilling, encourages the development of strong, healthy roots. Water your asparagus bed regularly, especially during dry periods. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Keep the area around your asparagus plants free of weeds. Weeds compete for nutrients and water, hindering asparagus growth. Fertilize your asparagus plants in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. A October 10th 10 fertilizer is a good option. The first year after planting, resist the urge to harvest any spears. This allows the plants to establish strong root systems. In the second year, you can harvest a few spears for a short period, about 2 weeks. By the third year, you can enjoy a full harvest season, 6-8 weeks. Harvest asparagus spears when they are about 6-8 inches tall and the tips are still tightly closed. Use a sharp knife to cut the spears at ground level. Avoid damaging the surrounding spears or the crown. Harvest in the morning for the best flavor and texture. Asparagus beetles are a common pest. Hand-pick them off the plants or use an insecticidal soap. Fusarium wilt is a fungal disease that can affect asparagus. Choose disease-resistant varieties and ensure good drainage. Freshly harvested asparagus is a culinary delight. Steam, grill, roast, or sauté it for a delicious and healthy side dish. Asparagus is also a great addition to salads, omelets, and pasta dishes. Experiment with different recipes and enjoy the fruits, or rather vegetables, of your labor. Growing asparagus at home is a rewarding experience that provides you with fresh, delicious vegetables for years to come. Don't be intimidated. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy homegrown asparagus gracing your table every spring. Now it's your turn. Start planning your asparagus bed today. Download our free asparagus growing guide, link in the description, for a detailed planting calendar and troubleshooting tips. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Let's grow together.